Using Kuhu's credit card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Kuhu's credit card. Well, in order to understand this thing clearly, we will go through the data that is provided by Kuhu's official. Now, as you guys can see, according to Kuhu, is Kuhu considered a credit card? Well, your physical and virtual Kuhu cards are actually your prepaid cards. However, if you're asked whether you're paying with debit or credit card at the checkout line, advise the cashier that you're paying with the credit card. The same will apply when using an ATM to withdraw cash, which means the card that you get from Kuhu are actually prepaid cards. It means whenever you're out of your funds from the Kuhu's card, you won't be getting the overdraft or extra money. So this is what a prepaid card looks. However, whenever you're paying somewhere, you just have to tell them that you're paying using your credit card, because the credit card gives you some of the benefits, including cashbacks. So according to Kuhu's, you get the cashbacks and all the benefits. However, you don't get the overdraft, which make you more thoughtful while spending the money. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to use your Kuhu's credit card. If you guys find this video helpful.